CNBC TV18, embarking on a quarter century of excellence.
Welcome back. Hope you're having a good morning. Well, another day, another green start is what we are bracing ourselves for, with plenty of stocks to discuss. Siddhartha Khemka, Head Retail Research at Motilal Oswal, joins us on the show. Hi, Sid. Morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, with these rate cuts that we're looking forward to from the Fed in 2024, the onus could be on the RBI now. How much are they going to trim rates? And because of that, the real estate space seems to have got an additional booster shot. How would you view this space, and what are your top picks from here?
Yeah, very good morning, Nigel. Glad to be on the show early morning. So if you look at the indication from the US has been that there could be up to 3 rate cuts in 2024. So in the range of 50 to 75 basis points is what the street is expecting. We expect the RBI to follow suit and follow suit to what the Fed would do. So if you look at while the India GDP growth estimates have been hiked by RBI in the latest monthly meet, we believe that growth is something that would be driven high, and that is why RBI may not be very aggressive with a rate cut, and hence would reduce rates by only 50 to 75 basis points.
Hi, please.
Okay. Siddhartha, hi, good morning, and thanks for joining us on the channel. I wanted your thoughts on how you would approach some of these EV-related stocks, right? There's news flow on TVS Motor, there's news flow on Hero. Hero is now increasing their stake in Ather Energy, and there's, of course, the Ola IPO that's coming through. They're going to file the DRHP by the end of the month. Would you buy any of these listed stocks now?
Yeah, Sonia, good morning. So I think if you see within the auto space, two-wheelers have seen the highest penetration in terms of EVs. And the listed players were late in the party, but somehow some of them have managed to get penetration. TVS has a strong foothold in the EV two-wheeler space. Hero Moto, through its stake in the Ather, which is one of the larger EV two-wheelers companies in India. So I think with the Ola Electric IPO, the space would be in a lot of buzz, and we definitely see a lot of room for the two-wheelers companies within the overall auto space for more upside with the growth, not only in the EV two-wheelers but also in the core business. With the festive season now over, the focus is now more on the two-wheeler companies with the ongoing wedding season and the rate hikes that would come for the passenger vehicles with the new model launches expected in the Jan month. So I think two-wheelers is something that would continue to do well. We prefer Hero Moto within the space where we have a very positive view. Stocks have definitely run up, and valuations they leave little room for upside. But then if Ola Electric IPO valuations would be at a premium price, that could again bring a lot of focus or comparison to the existing players and could bring more upside. So we are positively on the two-wheeler space with Hero and TVS as our preferred picks.
Siddharth, the stock of the week undoubtedly has been IRDA, right? I mean, 70% rally in 1 week. It's really blown the lid off. But at this price, at 120, how does it look?
Sonia, so if you look at the market has been pretty positive on all the public sector enterprises, and with the rate cut announcement, I think all the lending NBFCs have also been in focus, be it IREDA, be it HUDCO. Those stocks have moved up like anything. We currently don't have coverage, so I don't have the valuations handy, but definitely that's a theme, the renewable energy theme, which is clearly playing out in the market. And one way to play that theme is through directly the OEMs, the Suzlons, the Inox, which have also done well in the market. But IRDA is a good proxy to play the growth in the renewable energy demand in India. So that's the view. I don't have the valuation, so you definitely need to have a check on that.
Siddharth, any thoughts on SBI?
Yeah, Sonia. So I think it's a very positive view that we have on the entire banking space, and especially the PSU banks. Now with the rate cut announcement likely from next year, bond yields have already started falling, and which is a big positive in terms of the banks which were seeing NIMS compression. So overall, we are expecting that NIMS should now kind of stabilize from here on. And whenever the rate cut happens, that should see some improvement. If that news that you talked about, if that comes through, I think that will definitely help the banks in some improvement in the overall margins. So within the PSU preferred pick, and we continue to remain positive. We have a buy rating with a target price of 700. Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, these are some of the other banks within the PSU space that we like.
All right, Siddharth, thank you very much for joining us. It's a pleasure having you with us here on CNBC TV18. Now,